Good afternoon, viewers. I welcome you all for the lecture session on the topic of intellectual property rights, part 2. And in this lecture, we'll be discussing about the another two property rights, intellectual property rights. One is the trademark, then the other types of property rights. We'll discuss about that. So, what is a trademark? Trademark is a distinctive sign that identifies certain goods or services produced or provided by an individual or a company. It can be a distinctive combination of words, letters, and numerals. It can be symbols, three-dimensional signs which are distinctive. It can be a distinctive shape and a packaging of goods. Non-visible signs such as sound, smell, or taste. Collective marks, certification marks will also come under trademarks. And the trademark protection ensures that the owners of marks have the exclusive right to use them to identify goods or services or to authorize others to use them. Duration of trademark is for 10 years from the date of filing and it needs to be renewed. So, in the right side of the picture, you could see simple example for a sound mark. That is the protection granted for expressing a distinct sound in musical notations will come under sound mark. For example, Intel. And three-dimensional marks include distinct 3D shapes that can be registered. Example, Mercedes star. For the smell mark, the smell of fresh cut grass for tennis balls will also be can be is being filed as a trademark. Word mark, famous brand names like Tata, Xerox, Intel will come under the word mark. Coming to the trade secret. Trade secret means information including a formula, it can be a pattern, compilation, program device, method, technique, or process that derives independent economic value, actual or potential, from not being generally known to and not being readily ascertainable by proper means by other persons who can obtain economic value from its disclosure or use. And it is the subject of efforts that are reasonable under the circumstances to maintain its secrecy. So, the examples of undisclosed information which are kept as trade secrets by organizations include manufacturing secrets and commercial secrets. So, if you see manufacturing secrets, the proprietary technical research and development information, proprietary information about production or the process, quality control informations will come under manufacturing secret. Commercial secrets will come under commercial secrets include employee, customer, vendor, partner information, infrastructure, administrative and organization information, proprietary internal financial information, proprietary sales and marketing information. The other forms of intellectual property includes integrated circuits, geographical indications. So coming to integrated circuits, a layout design of an integrated circuit is the three-dimensional disposition of the elements of an integrated circuit and some or all the interconnections of the integrated circuit or such three-dimensional disposition prepared for an integrated circuit intended for manufacture. A layout design is eligible for protection automatically upon fulfillment of the following conditions. It is original, that is, the result of its creator's own intellectual effort and not commonplace among creators and manufacturers of integrated circuit. It has been fixed in the material form or incorporated into an integrated circuit. So the integrated circuit layouts in semiconductor industry can be protected through this form of IP. Coming to the geographical indications, geographical indications are one form of industry property IPR. They are signs used on products which have distinct quality and reputation attributable to the geographical origin of the product. These signs can be used only if there is evidence of linkage of quality and reputation of the product to a specific geographic origin. For example, Pochampalli Ikat, the famous tie and dye saree with characteristic motifs, is a registered GI in India. The saree is traditionally woven in Pochampalli village of Andhra Pradesh. And the next example is Darjeeling tea. It is the first GI granted in India, the famous tea with unique flavor originating from Darjeeling. So, in this lecture, we have seen about the different types of intellectual property, right from trade secret and the other forms, trademarks, and other forms of intellectual property includes integrated circuits and geographical indications. Hope you would have find this video lecture useful. Thanks for watching.